Oh my gosh. Cut. Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and today I have a very special guest. Little Amber is back on the show, and we are making a very special treat for her with my peanut butter banana Pup-Cakes. So if you really want to treat your pup to these dog-friendly cupcakes, they will love you forever. They're filled with oats, bananas, and carrots, and they're topped with a super easy 2-ingredient peanut butter frosting. Okay, so into our bowl we have some whole wheat flour, some old-fashioned oats, a teaspoon of baking powder to give the cupcakes a nice rise, and now comes the good stuff. You ready for the good stuff? A cup of mashed banana. You can also use some pumpkin puree too if you'd like. And we have 2 large eggs. What's that? Oh yeah, the good stuff. Here is some peanut butter. You can also use almond butter, sunflower butter. Just make sure it's the all natural stuff. We don't want any added sugars or salts or anything like that. And here I have a 1/4 cup of some shredded carrot, just to give it a little more nutrients. And then we mix it all together. That was it. Was that easy, Ambi? Was that easy? Then just mix it all together. And we're just going to scoop the batter right into the cupcake pan. And I know people are gonna ask me this question if these are edible for humans. And technically they are. It just might not taste like a regular cupcake because there's no sweetener in it. We are not adding any sugar or anything like that, so they're not gonna be as sweet, but you can definitely give it a try if you want. All right, now we're gonna get these in the oven. We're gonna bake them at 350 in a preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. All right, now we're gonna get started on the frosting. This couldn't be easier. It's literally 2 ingredients. Again, we have our all-natural peanut butter. You can use almond butter or sun butter if you like, and 1/2 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. All right, then we just mix this all together. You wanna taste test, little Ambi? Okay, all right, just a test. All right, it's definitely dog approved. So let's just scoop this in our piping bag. Then we're gonna go check on our cupcakes, get them out of the oven, and once they're cool, we get to frost and put it all together. We finished them off with a little dog treat so you know that they're for dogs, because just by looking at them, they totally look like real cupcakes. Give it a lick. Oh, she loves it. And be sure not to feed these to your dogs every day. It's definitely a special occasion treat. So just give them a little bit at a time. And if you have a small dog, you can even make minis. And if you guys love this recipe, you're also gonna love my homemade dog treats video that Amber made a cameo in too. So be sure to check that video out. So there you have my peanut butter banana Pup-Cakes. Don't forget, subscribe to my YouTube channel for tons more videos that I know you're gonna love. And we'll see you next time, right? Bye guys.